Coach, big performance from the team. Lots of fight. A huge game this on. And regards to the performance of the opponent. What's your thought on the game?
I think I would say a fair performance from the team. We did what we should have done, really. But credit to Maggotty. I love their composure. I love the fact that they put the ball on the ground and tried to pass it. And then they took control of the middle of the park, which was too dangerous for us. So we had to make some changes there and get back momentum and control the game. And, you know, fortunate for us, we got another goal and kind of cool the pressure down a bit, you know.
Yeah, your number 10 was really active throughout the game. And hitting it, and your number 7 hitting those diagonals.
Yes.
Very often, isolating the number 10, basically draw the attention of number 7, isolate the number 10, and switch over to provide that 1v1 situation. And it was working so well. And you guys got a goal from it first half. In the second half as well, you've seen a lot of goals. Was that the game plan also?
Well, based on how Maggotty was playing, because to be honest, you know what I mean, they were doing well. So we had to just find some areas that we think we could exploit and did our best, and you know, we're fortunate that, you know, it was favourable.
But definitely, 2 games now, technically you guys are almost safe.
Safe, 6 points is safe.
Through the next zone.
Yes.
But big performance versus Peterkin, and come again this evening. How difficult is it to maintain it and also recovery, including that?
I think we're okay with the recovery. The boys are critically in good condition. There's been a few mistakes early on. We didn't give them enough water before the game, which was poor. So they had a bit of cramps here and there. But fitness-wise, we're okay, and recovery-wise, I think we have that under control.
And basically, would you say that so far in this season you guys have been hitting the objectives set out at the start of the season?
Yes, we didn't want to start the game the season a bit too strong. We wanted us to improve as the season progressed, and we're doing that. We still have some areas to tighten up on, but we're just taking it a game at a time, you know? Yes.
All right, Coach. Thank you very much again, and big performance.
Big up MJ, and big up Vivian here. Vivian there. Big up Vivian, me a FIFA here.
Big up Sadi.
Sadi. Long time, you know, but here, big up Sadi.